Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineer. In this video, I want to cover about Typescript. Okay, and today I will discuss about how to install our Typescript and everything process, how to set up, and tomorrow onwards we'll go with the actual concept. Okay, now for the installation setup, first you need to download Node.js, and for that one, go to Chrome. Okay, now for that one, go to any one of the browser. I'm using Chrome. Okay, and in this one just type here node.js download, and after this one it will give any one of the site. Okay, I'm using this one, node.js run javascript everywhere. Okay, now just go to here and type this download. Okay, now already I have in my laptop, so I'm not downloading. After completion of downloading process, just go to command prompt. Okay, go to command prompt cmd. Okay, in the command prompt, check it whether it's giving version or not. Node -v enter, and same thing go with as npm -v enter. Whenever you download node.js, along with the node.js we will get to npm also. Okay, successfully it is giving. Then after completion of installation and checking of our version, just create one folder related to the typescript. Okay, now related to the typescript, create one folder, and next to this folder drag into the Visual Studio. Okay, in the Visual Studio, uh, okay, fine. Now go to terminal. In the Visual Studio, go to terminal, new terminal, and just check whether we have in the PowerShell or command prompt. Now present I'm in the PowerShell, so convert into the command prompt, and again check it whether it's giving node version here or not. It is giving for me, and same thing again npm. Okay, now both the thing it is giving, and after completion of this one, then do one thing, this one TypeScript installation, that is nothing but npm. Okay, now npm install -g. Okay, now g is not working, right? Then take here install g and TypeScript. Okay, now type script enter. Okay, now it is installing or not, check it. This is the most important point, npm install -g TypeScript. And next, after installation, once check it compilation process, TSC means TypeScript compilation version. If it is giving version successfully, we installed our TypeScript. Okay, now this is the process of our installation. Must and should you need to do this line. Okay, now what is that line? npm install -g TypeScript enter, and next later on check the version of our TypeScript tsc-v. Okay, now enter. Now it will give the version. Then this is the small installation process. Now do this one and come to next video. Bye guys.